Before we extrude the sketch or the profile, I'm going to over-constrain it and show you that CATIA V5 does not like over-constrained parts. Here's the error box that you will get. It says that it's over-constrained or under-constrained. So we hit the edit button and delete the over-constrained sketch. Click close, and now we exit back out into the 3D world, and it lets us without any errors. Now I'm going to show you another error that it doesn't like. Actually, this is not an error, but typically you do not want to have two enclosed profiles for one sketch. It allows you to do it, but it's not a good idea. So we'll go back, cancel out of this, go back into the sketch or workbench, and delete the extra profile. Now I'm going to show you a selection tool here. This is the paintbrush, and you can just drag your mouse over all the entities that you want to delete and select them all at once. Now the next thing that the CATIA V5 doesn't like is open entities just out in the middle of nowhere. Notice that it says the sketch has several open profiles, and it gives you an error, and that shows you what it typically looks like. Go back into the sketch or workbench, delete it, and then it doesn't like open profiles, so we'll delete line 3 and we'll exit out into the 3D world, into the part design workbench, and notice we cannot use an open profile for the first feature of the current body, so that's the error that you get there. So we'll go back and add the line, and notice that it's going to be line 11 that it creates rather than line 3, so keep that in mind. We'll exit out, and now we're ready to extrude it. We'll use the pad icon, and the pad definition window pops up, and notice that I can click the arrow button and reverse the direction, or I can just click the reverse direction bar in the window. Here's the mirror extent. Notice that it puts up a mirror of it. If I click thickness, it opens up the second limit, and that's limit 2. Or you can click less and go back, and notice that you have different types, and we are specifying a dimension, but you can go up to next, or up to last, or up to a plane, or up to a surface if you have those defined in your geometry. We're going to select 12 inches, hit OK, hit the fit all in, and there we have a 3D part. And we can rotate it using the rotate icon. And so all it does is extrude the L-shaped extrusion part, and we're going to save this. Go up to File, Save As, go to the folder that you want to save it and call it Part 1. Click Save, and it saves it as a cat part product. And then we'll just exit out of CATIA V5.